Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to set up recurring payments on Stripe. First, log in to your Stripe dashboard. On the left side menu, click on Products. Here, you will need to create a product that your customers will be paying for regularly. Click on Add a Product. Name your product, for example, Monthly Subscription. Set the price, let's say $49.99 per month. Under Pricing Model, select Recurring. Choose the billing period, such as monthly. Next, click on Save Product. Now that your product is created, we need to set up a customer who will be subscribing to this product. Go to the Customers section on the left menu. Click on Add Customer. Fill in the customer's details such as name and email, then save the customer. Once your customer is created, find their profile in the customer list and click on their name to open their details. Click on Actions and select Create Subscription. In the subscription creation window, find the product you just created. It should appear in the drop-down list. Select it. You have the option to either automatically charge the customer's payment method on file or send them an invoice to pay manually. For automatic charging, ensure the customer has a payment method added. If they don't, you will need to send an invoice. If you want to set the start date for the subscription, click on Schedule Subscription. You can choose to start billing immediately or set a specific start date. For example, if you want the subscription to start on the 1st of the next month, you can set that date. To specify when the subscription ends, select End after a specific number of billing cycles. If you want it to end after 12 months, set it to end after 12 billing cycles. This ensures that the customer is billed monthly for 12 months. Once everything is set, click Schedule Subscription or Start Subscription if you want it to begin immediately. If you are sending an invoice, the customer will receive an email with the invoice, which they need to pay to activate the subscription. If the customer does not receive the invoice, you can manually resend it by going to their profile, finding the invoice, and clicking Send Invoice. The invoice will include a link for them to add their payment method and complete the setup. That's it. Your customer is now set up for recurring payments on Stripe. Payment links are a simple way to collect payments without needing a custom website or app. They allow you to create a payment page and share it with your customers via a link. On the left menu, click on Payment Links. Click Create a Payment Link. You will need to select a product or service that you have already created in Stripe. If you haven't created one, you can do so by clicking Create a Product. Enter the name, description, and price of your product, then save it. Once your product is selected, you can customize the payment page. You can add a quantity selector, allow customers to add additional notes, or set a one-time or recurring payment. After customizing, click Create Link. You will get a URL that you can copy and share with your customers via email, social media, or any other platform. When customers click on the link, they will be taken to a secure Stripe-hosted payment page where they can complete the payment. Next, let's talk about setting up taxes. Stripe can automatically calculate and collect taxes for you. To set this up, go to your Stripe dashboard and click on Tax in the left menu. Click Get Started and follow the setup guide. You will need to provide information about your business location and where you are required to collect tax. Stripe will then help you determine the correct tax rates based on the customer's location. When you create products, you can specify whether they are taxable. Stripe will automatically apply the appropriate tax rates to your transactions. This ensures compliance and simplifies the process of collecting and remitting taxes. Finally, let's look at accessing reports in Stripe. Reports help you track your business performance, monitor transactions, and manage your finances. To access reports, go to the Reports section on the left menu of your Stripe dashboard. Here, you will find different types of reports. You can customize the date range and filters for each report to get the specific data you need. Reports can be downloaded in CSV format for further analysis or record keeping. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you for watching and have a great day.